Good afternoon kids. Now today I will explain about standard Nana. We are discussing about 7th lesson Nana. The name of the lesson is landforms in India. Total lesson is completed Nana. Today I will explain about course book bits Nana. Course book page number 48 Nana. First bit Nana. A bit is answer the following questions. Already is there in workbook. You should open and you should learn. Total 7 question and answers is there. You should learn perfectly question and answers. Okay now. Today I will explain about fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. Clue kit Nana. See in page number 42. Open. See here given plants, manual, kicker. Sorry. Here given floor, water, wind, waterfall. Next Mount Everest. Here given clue kit Nana. First fill in the blanks. A dash is water that flows from edge of a step place. A dash is water that follows from edge of a step place is Nana waterfall. The answer is waterfall. A waterfall is water that follow from edge of a step place Nana. Next second one Nana. Dash is the highest mountain peak in the world. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world Nana? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Next Nana, third one. The bottom of a valley is called its floor Nana. Okay na, the answer is floor Nana. The bottom of a valley is called its floor. It's called its floor. Okay na. Next Nana. Fourth one. An Iceland landform is land that is completely surroundings by. See Nana, Iceland's what is Iceland's Nana? These four sides are water covered with waters. Is called is Iceland. An Iceland's form is land that is completely surrounded by water. An Iceland form is land that is completely total Nana. Iceland lo completely totally covered with water Nana. WATR water. An Iceland landform is land that is completely surrounded by water. Four sides are equal is called is Iceland. Peninsula means only three sides water we called is peninsulas. Next Nana, fifth one. Deserts have very dry air and lots of wind. See Nana, fifth one. Deserts have very dry air and next lots of dry air and desert wind. Okay na. Next Nana, sea bit they have true or false Nana. See write yes or no questions. Okay na. Write yes or no questions for the following statements. You should correct statement is you should write yes Nana. If you not correct means you should write no. First one Nana. See page number 14 and course book open and you should listen Nana. It has many landforms. S is it correct? You should write S. Next Nana. The hills measure more in height than mountains. Hills అనేవి ఈ మౌంటైన్స్ కంటే హైలీ ఉంటాయా? నో, దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఓకేనా. ద హిల్స్ మెజర్ మోర్ ఇన్ హైట్ దెన్ ద మౌంటైన్స్ కంటే హిల్స్ ఏమంత హైట్లో ఉండవు నాన్న. A desert is an area that received very highest rainfall. A desert is very highest rainfall. No, a desert is very small rain, very అంటే కొంచెమే highest, not little bit of rainfall. Always is very hot. So you should write no and anymore? No. Next nana, fourth one nana. Oceans are a part of hug. Oceans are a part of hug. Continuous body of salt water. Nana, oceans means samudralu. Always which water is there? Oceans in salt water. It is correct. You should write S nana. Okay, now oceans always cover the water with only salt water is there in oceans. Next nana, fifth one, the majority of lakes on the earth are saltwater lakes. The majority of lakes means sarasu nana. The majority of lakes on the earth are saltwater lakes. Ekkuvaga saltwater lakes only is there in our world. Is it correct? Yes. It is also S. Complete nana. Today homework you should learn perfectly question and answers. Okay na, 7th lesson you should learn question and answers nana. FA1 exam okkaru kuda only 3-4 members only given papers. Compulsory you should write and give the papers. Please request nana, థర్డ్ క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి బుక్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి. కంపల్సరీ చాలా మంది బుక్స్ తీసుకుంటలేరు, మళ్ళీ ఏది చదువుతున్నారో ఏమో. బుక్స్ తీసుకోవాలన్నా మేము నెక్స్ట్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయి 4th ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి కంపల్సరీగా బుక్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. యూ షుడ్ లర్న్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ. లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ స్పెండ్ అండ్ యూ షుడ్ లర్న్. ఓకేనా మేడం? థ్యాంక్ యూ. టుడే హోంవర్క్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్. యూ షుడ్ లర్న్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.